Hi child, how are you? Today we are going to discuss about domestic animals. Do you have domestic animals? Please guess. Okay, I know you are remembering your dogs, cat, hen, horse, rooster, cow, etc. Let's talk in detail about domestic animals. Cow? This is cow. Cow gives us milk and skin. Goat? This is goat. Goat give us meat and skin. Dog? This is dog. Dog protect us from the rubber and wild animals. Cat? This is cat. Cat is so cute and playful animals. Buffalo? This is buffalo. Buffalo give us milk, meat and skin. Sheep? This is sheep. Sheep give us wool and meat. Horse? This is horse. Horse helps us to travel in hilly area. Donkey? This is donkey. Donkey help us to carry goods from one place to another palace. Ox? This is ox. Ox helps us digging in field. Hen? This is hen. Hen give us meat and egg. Pig? This is pig. Pig give us meat.